going to do today is service this tractor. We're going to change the oil filter. We're going to check the antifreeze, grease all the fittings, and maybe put a new air filter in. First thing I'm gonna do is start at the top. Check this air filter. Ooh, yeah. Huh, the inner one ain't too bad.
Nope.
But this one's nasty.
All right, here we have a UltraGuard RE68048.
It'll keep the dust out. I don't tear it apart putting it in.
Metric drain plug on an American-made John Deere.
Actually, it's a Yanmar, so that makes sense. Run.
She's a runner. All right, drain plug going back in.
Plug in.
Uncle Ed's oil shop.
Yeah. Put the oil plug in. Oil plug.
Oil.
Oil people.
Oil. You can find it at Fred's.
Here.
We just realized we don't have a name
We ain't got a name
for this,
for the John Deere.
for the John Deere. So comment below what you think we should name it. The oil filter on the 3203 is right there. It is in a perfect position where you don't even have to do a whole lot of work to get to it. We're gonna use a John Deere M806419, genuine John Deere oil filter.
It's right there. Turn it. Turn it hard.
Weir winds are blowing.
Blowing.
You always want to get the gasket wet with some
Oil.
oil.
And it don't have to be new oil either.
Yeah, everybody calm down.
Simmer down.
Hand tight, folks.
Hand tight.
Do not need to crank these down. Well, this is a genuine John Deere part from Wuhan, China.
Yeah.
Filling her up with diesel. It's actually a MIU 800645 fuel filter. Service done on the 3203. We added some coolant, changed the fuel filter, changed the oil filter, drained the oil, greased all the fittings. Thanks for watching Risky Business.
Like, subscribe, and click the bell.
Yes, sir. We'll see you next time.